Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, Aunty Sheila from Joy's Roti Delight in Fort Lauderdale, Florida is showing us how she makes her Chatak duck. This one is a little bit different from how we're accustomed cooking curried duck. So if you'd like to see how she makes her famous duck, keep watching. So to start off, she has her washed and cleaned duck meat and she's adding in her green seasoning. I'll link a recipe for the green seasoning in my description box. She's giving that a good mix and then she'll go in with salt and black pepper. Continue to mix so that salt is well distributed. Now we're gonna put up a pot on a medium heat and in goes oil. She starts off with some turmeric powder, which she allows to toast for a couple of seconds. Then goes in her curry powder. She's using a mild curry powder here and she didn't tell me the brand, so any mild curry powder she said would work. So she's going to toast that in that oil for about 5 minutes until it's a darker color. So you'll notice it went from a yellow to a dark curry color. In went some green seasoning and she's going to mix that in and some water now to help cook that curry. And she's cooking that out for about 5 minutes until the oils start separating, and then she went in with the seasoned duck meat. She's going to mix that really well together with the curry. She's allowing it to fry up for about 5 minutes. And next she went in with a bundle of fine thyme. She's just nestling that into the pot to cover it with the meat. And now she's going to allow it to cook, but she's going to allow it to cook covered. So after 15 minutes she went in and checked it, and you'll see that it's releasing its natural juices. Now you'll notice she did not let it bunge down. This is her way of making duck. You'll see that she keeps covering it. It's going to release that water or those natural juices from the meat. She'll go in again. See, there's still tons of water in there, and it's continuing to cook. She's going to cook this down until that meat is almost tender. So she'll cover it again and allow it to continue to cook. Now she's checking it again here, and by this time the natural juices were starting to reduce. Here we go again. You'll see that the natural juices have reduced quite a bit. So usually we would let all of those natural juices dry down. She covered it and allowed it to cook down. Here she's checking on it. It's starting to stick to the bottom of the pot, which we would call bunge down, right? But at this point the duck is almost cooked, because remember she kept covering it, and it took about 1 hour. So then she threw in 2 hot peppers and she's going to let that cook in there until the hot peppers start to soften. This is going to make the duck extra spicy. Adding the hot peppers is totally optional. So now she's going in with some methi powder, some amchar masala powder, and some geera powder or roasted cumin. She likes adding this at the end when everything is almost finished cooking. So she's going to mix that in and allow that to cook for 5 minutes. She said you don't need to cook the geera and the amchar masala because it's already patched. That's how she likes to do it. So to finish, she's adding in some coconut milk and she'll give that a mix. You want to mix, allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and after that it will be ready. At this point you'd want to taste and adjust your salt, and that's Aunty Sheila's way of making her Chatak curry duck. All she did was in the end was smash the pepper to release that hot pepper into the curry, but it's something that's optional. You don't have to do that if you don't like spicy foods. And all you have to do now is dish this out and enjoy. Look at that color of that duck, really amazing curry color, really delicious. It was different from how I'm accustomed making duck, but her duck is really delicious. And she gave me her homemade Dhalpuri Roti. She does not sell it. This was special that she makes for herself and her family, which was really delicious also. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Comment down below. I know you all will have a lot of comments about this version. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to Aunty Sheila, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.